Apparently when you go to certain egg farms, you have to wear these over your shoes when you get out of the truck. Not sure what good it does, but hey, you gotta do what you gotta do, right? Well, it's a rainy morning, I guess, here in Springfield, Missouri. What's interesting is I pick up here today, and tomorrow I pick up over there. This one's a live load. Tomorrow it will be a drop and hook. Maybe, I don't know. I don't see any of our empties over here, so both these places share the same parking lot. But Springfield's supposed to get about 3 inches of rain in the next 4 days. So went to go pick up my trailer and was able to avoid the rain, but then I got soaked opening the doors and sliding the tandems. I hate this parking lot too, because look, I don't know if you guys can see that. There's wood everywhere, and where there's wood, there's probably nails. So I always give my tires a good looking over whenever I leave here. But this is one of the better loads out of here, leaving the house. Those little shoe covers, that was a Neo show. Went to the house last night and then came and picked this up this morning. I'm at the dock now. Our lights aren't working, as you can see. Anyways, yeah, so got a whole 71 miles to go today. But don't worry, this load pays pretty good. So I'll then head back here to Springfield, and instead of spending the night at the house to get an early start, I'm probably gonna spend the night at the new Flying J we got down here. So lots of panhandlers there at that Flying J. They flocked to that new one pretty quickly. Anyways, see how dark the clouds are. Check it out. So, alright, let's hopefully I get loaded pretty quickly, because it's a live unload too, and I've never been to this place where I'm delivering. So it says it's from 10 to 5, so we'll see. So I'm here getting fuel. I'll show you the aerodynamics of these trucks, how crazy it is. It has been raining like crazy today. And look, perfectly dry back here. Can you believe that? That's dust that was there earlier. And it's been raining like crazy. So, anyways, I got pretty low on fuel. I need to get out of that habit. So, anyways, I'm gonna look under the hood, make sure everything's good there. Get the heck out of here. I'm at the Flying J here in Joplin, which, if you park right where that black Volvo is, there tends to be a lot of trucks hitting right there. So, anyways, yeah, I'll show you. The CFI truck is right there. So, okay, guys. See you. Well, my live unload was actually a drop and hook. And I'm here in their drop lot. There's the international dealer. Got some nice looking trucks in there. And put in my exceptions in the Qualcomm, tell them, hey, this is drop and hook. So I just got that through the Qualcomm. Here's what it looks like. Woo! And then had put another exception in saying, hey, there's no empties here. Which is fine. Because right around the corner, actually down the road, are several empties. So I'm not too worried about it. And it looks like another Snyder truck's coming along, company guy. He's going to find out the same thing I did. Here he comes. There he is. So now we got two drivers that are going to need empties from here. No big deal. I've got all day to figure this out. As long as they don't send me somewhere like Kansas City or something like that. That'd be dumb. But I know there's empties right around the corner. But enjoying the peaceful, still air. The rain finally stopped. My windshield's nice and clean. Look at that. The mirrors aren't, though. I gotta clean them. Actually, I'll do that right now. So I got the TV mounted. And I think the way most trucks work is that your antennas, the one on the left is your CB radio. The one on the right is your TV antenna. Acts as your TV antenna. A lot of people think that, you know, they're both for the CB, but that's not the case. And there's a cable or antenna input in each of these trucks. And that's supposedly what it goes to. Now, the problem I have is that digital stations, the wind blows just right, it freezes up. I long for the days of when you might not quite get a station in, it might be a little bit snowy, but it was doable. It didn't just cut completely out. It's either all or none. I'm sitting here in Springfield, Missouri, and I'm barely getting enough signal. You know, every time a truck drives by, I lose signal. So if anybody has any suggestions on a better antenna, so obviously the truck one's not working good enough. I've got a couple extra CB antennas. Maybe I'll try one of them. Yeah, I've got a Wilson. Maybe that'll help. But just chilling out. I don't pick up till tomorrow. Wife's gonna come by and we're gonna have breakfast and hang out. So, but you know, the station's working now, but it was cutting out quite a bit earlier. There it goes. See, shake the truck. But anyways, I got it mounted on the wall mount, so that's cool. Thanks to Emmett TV, he kind of did a thing on how to put it on there, and then there was another guy. He showed the right size bolts, so that's what I did. Actually, you know, YouTube is very handy sometimes. Anyways, I'll probably just turn this off and watch Netflix on my tablet. Screw this. See ya. Have you ever seen a package of turds? Right there. Package of turds. Well, that marks the end of this little vlog, video, random, dumb stuff, whatever you want to call it. Sitting here in a rest area in Indiana. The westbound side on I-70, first one to get into. I forget what mile marker we're at. And lots and lots and lots of parking. Good phone signal. Clean bathrooms. Not a bad place. I like here. I'm doing my 30-minute break. Then I'll be at the Gary OC tonight. Get a good shower in, and then hit the road for Joliet, Illinois tomorrow. And then I'm doing another Illinois to Columbus, Ohio. So I'm going to know every nook and cranny on I-70 this week. So that's it for this video. Peace.